What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Today, let's talk about how to make text size bigger on Snapchat. Let's begin. Let's add a control first to our control center. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone. Next, tap the plus sign icon at the top left corner. Then tap Add a control at the bottom part of the screen. Next, locate the text size control, which will look like this one. Simply tap it. Now you can choose to place the control wherever you want. Once done, let's move to Snapchat. When you're in the Snapchat app, bring down your control center, touch and hold the text size button, then make sure that you choose the Snapchat only below. Then choose what text size you want by swiping up or down on the slider. Let's say I'm going to adjust it to 160%. After that, go back to Snapchat, then refresh it, close your Snapchat app, then reopen it, and now you can see that the text size is bigger. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.